What's up, guys? William Agnew here at Jekyll and Hyde, and I got something really cool. In this particular episode, we're looking at a Porsche. Now, this isn't any Porsche. This is a Porsche that's sitting on some big wheels, which makes it look interesting, very interesting. Some people don't like it, some people do. I like it. I think it's pretty cool because it's unique and it's different, just like this custom print. Unique and different. Now, what you may realize and recognize is this very easy to identify red bull on the front. So we're gonna walk around, show you guys a little bit more of this vehicle, show you a little bit of the custom design artwork that we can do here at Jekyll and Hyde, which I get excited about. I like one-of-ones. I like unique. I like when it's different. It's not the same. Just like this Porsche sitting on big wheels, right? Different, unique. I love it. William Agnew, Jekyll and Hyde. Let's see more about what's going on with this vehicle. Why don't we? All right, guys, so let's take a look at what we got. So if you look at the hood right here, you can see the logo and the design we actually put on this. This is a custom design graphic artwork, and so we put that on the hood, which looks really good. As a matter of fact, I will always say red. If you're doing marketing or if you're doing any type of promotion, red looks really good. Like if you look at this right here, you can see that big red bull, right? The big red bull, you can see actually blending in with the rearview mirrors right here. We got it on the side, and that red bull looks good. It stands out. You can see it from a distance, and that red pops. So I always suggest, if you can do red in your marketing and your promotion on a vehicle, definitely do it. If you see right here on the quarter panel, we also have this camo kind of thing going on with this blend of the bulls right here. So you can see the gray bull and the black bull. That's a contrast also that makes it pop, and that's what I love about it. Right here, you actually have the lettering, and you have the Porsche in white, and the lettering of the Red Bull in red, right? Which pops also. So you can see, it looks really good. It's an eye catcher. It's exactly what the customer wants. So with that being said, if you like it, you got some custom artwork you want to do, some graphic artwork you want to do, you want to put it on your vehicle, promotion, for anything, your business, whatever you do, your hobby, bring it down to Jekyll and Hyde. We'll knock it out for you guys. Jekyll and Hyde, William Agnew. See you guys in the next one. Peace. How you like the car, man?
What's up? It looks sharp, man.
Yeah, you like it?
Let me get it all dressed up. I want to bring it back here in a couple weeks, and you'll really get to see it because it's got a pile of fog lights on it.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And it's got real strong off-road.
Yeah. We want to see the finished product, like putting the grill on and everything.
A couple weeks, you'll see it.
Cool.
And we'll have a lot of fun with it.
Nice. I'm glad you liked it, bro.
When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home, go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. In my head I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, now you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. Call filling up, I need product again. Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you. Do me wrong, might